Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you coordinates and control in 3D. Okay, in coordinates and control, the most important thing is UCS, that is user coordinate system. The user coordinate system set or manipulates the user coordinate system to control the orientation of your drawing in 3D space. Okay, you can control your view as a coordinate. Then the next is viewport, similar to we have seen in layout. Here also the viewport allows you to use multiple views in same time. Then the MSLT scale, that is control the line type scale and object within the viewport. You can control your viewport scale for a particular window. Then the view controls, that is D view, allow you to define a new view direction or change the perspective of your current view. Okay, I'm going to tell you how to use this. Then the next is view, manage saved views, which you can use to quickly switch between the different visual perspectives of your 3D model. Then next is visual control style. The visual control style setting of your drawing, such as wireframe, hidden, conceptual, or realistic for better visualization. Okay, then the selection plane, you can select your cut, that is 3D model, enabling you to see the interior details. Okay, then next is coordinate system, that is world coordinate system. Okay, then if you want to reset, you can reset it. Then the CS, that is coordinate system. Okay, the create and manage custom coordinate systems within your drawing. These coordinates and control tools in AutoCAD to 3D allows you to manipulate your view, define specific section, and control the appearance of your 3D model to facilitate more precise and efficient 3D modeling design. Okay, I will tell you how to use this in AutoCAD. Okay, this is my normal coordinates now available to see here. This is my normal coordinates, that is x, y, z. Okay, I have set for world. Okay, like this. Now I'm going to draw something here. Okay, then you can understand easily. Then again I will use primitives so I can draw fast. Okay, so there are many parts I'm going to tell you, that's why I'm creating so far these things. Okay, I will tell you how to use this. Now I'm going to change my coordinates. Okay, first I will tell you what is coordinates. The coordinates that are we are using similarly in 2D 3D, I will tell you. The first is line 0 comma 0, enter. See, this is the my 0 of my old space. This is in negative, this is in positive, this in positive and negative side, and this is negative and positive side. Okay, you can see in coordinates it is changing, that's why I have to tell you this. Now I'm going to change my coordinates. Okay, how can I change? See, first this is the world coordinates, then I want to rotate it x. Okay, x, I'm going to rotate it x. Okay, in this direction the coordinates are changed. Okay, if I want to change in y direction, okay, y direction this change. Then I want to change in z direction, this is my z. Okay, you can change. Okay, this is z, earlier x is in this direction. Okay, if I click simply on world, it will become on our world coordinates. Okay, this is the coordinate panel is available here. Then the next is 3 points. Okay, I'm going to change my 3 points. Okay, now my 0 0 will come here. 0. Okay, understand? Previous my 0 is in nearby this box, but now I have changed. The next is previous. Look how it is looks in previous. And the view, I'm going to give the view to this uh, coordinates. Then the face, which face you want, this face. Now this is in my coordinates in this face. And then the object, I'm going to define my object. Okay, this is my object I have defined. Okay, now it means 0 will start from this object. Okay, if I want previous or world, see, like this. Then the next is views. Okay, the first one is 2D frame. It is looks like this. Then next is conceptual, then hidden, realistic, shaded, shaded wire, shaded with gray, shaded with edges, shaded with gray, sketchy, sketchy, then wireframe, and X-ray. Okay, then next is unsaved view, that is top, okay, bottom, left, right, front, back, southeast, southwest, southeast, northeast, and northwest. Okay, from here also you can change it. Okay, come to the okay. Hope you guys understood what is the coordinates and view. Now I'm going to tell you viewports. Okay, come to top, view ports. Okay, we're going to get 1 2 3 4. That's why taking 4 equal. Okay, now I'm going to see one particular drawing at one time. Okay, that's why I have taken 4 objects. Okay, now I'm going to see this. Okay guys, hope you understand. how to use this in MS scale. Okay, enter your scale. Now I am going in mm. You can add your own scale. Okay, hope guys you understand how to use this, all the commands and all these points. Okay, thank you.